Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing the soft Christmas nail art that's perfect for short nails. So if you feel like festive designs look too busy on small nail beds, this one is for you. It's very simple, cozy, and totally doable with regular nail polish. So I've started with a sheer neutral base and with a milky white for two of my fingers. And light shades really help open up the nail a little bit, and they also give the stamped designs room to breathe. So I would recommend that for short nails. And make sure your base is also dry when you do the stamping. It has to be a little bit tacky though for the stamping to stick on that. So for the main design, I use a green stamping polish to add pine branches in all the nails. And when you're working with short nails, try placing the design slightly off center or diagonally so it creates a little bit of movement. For the middle finger, I layer the pine branches over a stamped holiday text that says Merry Christmas in many languages. So I thought that was really cool. And try mixing patterns so that keeps the design interesting but still cohesive. Then I added some tiny red dots to mimic berries. You don't need perfection here, it's just like put them randomly and they will look super natural. And I finished with a combination of white and red dots on the sheer neutral nail here, and then seal everything with a glossy top coat. And that's the final result. I really like this one, especially if you like softer manicures or a little bit of different colors during Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!